All right, guys. I have three problems for you guys to try. Go ahead and copy all three down. Okay. Work them out. You know the process. Pause it, work it out, unpause it, and you can hear the explanation of how I solve these. Okay. All right, guys. In example number one, try problem number one. I don't like how it's written, so I just rewrite it. This is how I solve it. 8 divided by 4, okay, gives me a 2. K3 minus K1 gives me K to the second power, and I leave it at the top because 3 is the larger exponent. 12 divided by 4 is 3. K2 minus K1 gives me just the plain old K, and it should be at the top because the 2 is the larger one at the top. I have then 20 divided by 4 is 5. K divided by K actually cancels out, so this is actually the final answer right here. Okay, so hopefully you got that. Okay. All right, let's take a look at number 2. Number 2, I rewrite it again. Since there's a lot going on, I'm going to make sure that I keep everything consistent. Okay. All right, let's take a look. Step by step. First term, 6 divided by 6. Large numbers always get taken care of first. I get a 1. Okay, S6 minus S2. Since we're dividing, we subtract. I get S to the 4th power, and the bigger one is at the top. All right, and we have T4 minus T2. We have T2 left over, T to the second power, sorry. And that should be located at the top because 4 is the bigger exponent. Okay, move to the next term. 24 divided by 6 gives us a 4. S to the third power minus S to the second power leaves us with S to the first power, and that should be located at the top. T to the second power minus T to the second power cancels out because that's 0. Okay, move to the next term. 3 divided by 6 simplifies into 1 over 3. Okay, S to the first power divided by S to the second power leaves us with S to the negative 1 power. But I know that I need to put my answer at the bottom, so it turns into a positive 1 there. T to the first power divided by T to the second power leaves me with T to the negative 1 again. But I know since there's the larger exponent at the bottom, T to the first power is positive right there. I clean it up, it should look like this. All I did was take away the ones that I did not need. Okay? All right, last but not least, you should have done number 3, and here's the explanation. I like to rewrite it. 8x3 goes underneath everything. Once again, if you're getting really good at this, you don't need to rewrite it. I mean, it's just a step that helps you, okay? Now I just go through every single term. 8 divided by 8 is my first big number. Turns into a 1. X to the third minus x to the third, they cancel out. Move to the second term. Okay. 2 divided by 8 is, you just got to simplify it to 1/4. I have x to the second power minus x to the third power. I have x to the first power left over, and that should go in the bottom. Okay, move to this last and final term. 4 divided by 8, you're left with 1/2. Okay, x to the first power minus x to the third power, you're left with x to the second power. Larger exponents at the bottom, so that's where this goes. And that is your final answer. Sorry about that. Okay, so in summary, today we looked at how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. Couple things that you need to remember is to rewrite if you need to divide the big numbers first, and then use the exponent rule about dividing exponents. And that's how you simplify all of these problems. Okay, so make sure that you do the homework on this. If you need to look back and see how to do it, of course, you can always look at these videos.